Welcome to our video tutorial on installing the connector for Salesforce and Jira. First, log into your Jira Cloud instance and click Settings, the gear icon. From the drop-down menu, select Apps. Now, click Find New Apps. This will take you to the Marketplace apps within Jira. In the Search for Apps field, simply type Connector for Salesforce and Jira. You'll see our app in the search results. Select the app when it appears in the results list. You can see the connector for Salesforce and Jira overview. To install, just click Try It Free. This will download and install the add-on to your Jira Cloud instance. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a confirmation dialog. Click Close. That's it. You've successfully installed the connector in your Jira Cloud. Now that you've installed the connector in Jira, it's time to install the Salesforce package in Salesforce. First, download the Salesforce package from the Salesforce AppExchange. Click either Get It Now to install it in your production environment or Try It Free to install it in your sandbox for testing. Log into your Salesforce account and click Install in Production or Sandbox. Review the terms and conditions, then click Confirm and Install. You'll be presented with installation options. We recommend choosing Install for all users to avoid limitations connected with other options. Your package is ready. Now there's one more crucial step, adding the remote sites. This allows Salesforce to connect to your Jira instance securely. In Salesforce Setup, use the Quick Find box to search for remote site settings. Click the result. Now click New Remote Site and enter the following details. The remote site name, you can name it something like Jira, and the displayed remote site URL. Click Save. Add another remote site for the Europe data residency. Name it Europe and paste the EU URL. This intermediary server ensures secure communication between Salesforce and your Jira Cloud instance. Once you've entered these details, click Save. Fantastic! You've now successfully installed the connector for Salesforce and Jira and configured the remote site. In our next video, we'll show you how to set up the crucial connection from Jira to Salesforce.